Hello, welcome back, student. To our club is full stack developer, and we are going to see the module 3, that is JavaScript basic concept. Uh, Before going to start the JavaScript, first we will see the what we have done in the full stack developer in the previous videos. So this is our syllabus for full stack developer. So as you know, when we will become a full stack developer, when you will be perfect in front end and the back end, then you are become a full stack developer. So for this we have started in the same one is module 1. I hope you remember this, and many of the students did the very good projects in this, and they got the prize also from the ISL Engineering College. So module 1 is HTML. So what is the full form of HTML? Hypertext Markup Language. So this we have done in the previous module. So in this, what is this? HTML and CSS are the building block of any web application. A strong foundation on HTML and CSS is very important to become a successful full stack developer. Okay, so this is a module 1. Next is introduction. In HTML we completed introduction to HTML, hypertext markup language, and we saw the different browsers and HTML, how to use that, and we saw the editor offline and the online. Like Notepad is a by default in your system, and online is like we did the practice on the VS Code. So in that, whenever you are doing any operation, at the right side you will find the instant modification, tag attribute and elements. What is the difference between attribute and element, and what is tag we saw. And doc type element, what kind of element is it? It is a HTML or XHTML or XML or CSS, whatever we need to mention. Comment, how to write the comment in the HTML code. Heading, how many headings are there? 6 headings are there. Okay, h1 to h6, and this is a paragraph tag. In the paragraph tag we will write whatever you want to write in the paragraph. Formatting text is nothing but like if you want to make a bold, italic, okay, that all the things like changing the color, changing the font name, so at that time formatting text is needed. Next is list. List will be two types of list, as we saw in the HTML: unordered list and ordered list. Unordered list is nothing but it will display like bullet points, and ordered list is a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 like this. If you have a numbers in ABC or Roman numbers or normal numbers, then it is called a ordered list. Okay, and link, we gave the link from the image, we gave the link through the text. Okay, and we saw how to insert the images, and we saw how to create the table. So in the HTML, this all the things we have done, theory as well as the practical. So this was the first module. Then the second module in the full stack developer is CSS, cascading style sheet. It is a building block of any web application. A strong foundation on CSS is very important to become a successful web developer. Means when we create the website with the help of HTML, so for that, if you want to decorate and look and feel design if you want, so you can use the CSS. With the help of CSS only we can make a best, effective and pleasant display on your website. With the HTML also you can do, but it will take so much time and your code will be more complicated. If you use the CSS, whenever you need, you can call the CSS in the different way. You can use in the HTML inline external, okay, and you can create the new file, and that also you can use in HTML. So what we have done in the CSS, introduction to CSS, and we have done the applying CSS to HTML, and selector properties and values, CSS colors, how to select the color, and CSS background, how to change the background, and CSS box model. That is a 3 box models are there. You can go and see the videos of CSS if you did not see the video. CSS margin, padding, border, okay, and CSS text and font properties, whatever the text color, font color properties, and all the things we can do. And we will do some of the general topics in CSS that you can use and make your website in very best display. You can get the very best display on the browser. So these are the 2 things we have completed in the previous videos, HTML and CSS. If you did not see this video, go and watch that video, then only you can able to understand the 3rd module, that is JavaScript. So in the JavaScript is the most popular language in both front end and back end. Back end is used Node.js. This will come in your module 6. Thus you can become a full stack developer just by learning JavaScript. So if you know the JavaScript, how to use and how to do all the things, then it will be easy for you to become a full stack developer. So in this we are going to see some of the introduction of JavaScript, okay, and we will see how to apply the JavaScript to the HTML in external or internal way. Understanding JavaScript syntax, how the syntax is there for the JavaScript, we will see. And we will see the introduction to document and window object. We will see the document and window object. We will see what is variable, we will see what is operator, we will see data type, we will see the num type, we will see the math, we will see the string manipulation, we will see the objects, we will see the array, date and time, conditional statement, switch case, looping in JS, and function. For learning this JavaScript, you should have basic knowledge of C programming. If you don't have that, also no issues, we will going to see in detail in our JavaScript. Okay, so we will come back to our JavaScript PPT. So here in this we are going to see for the basic concept. So here today's in objective we are going to see a brief introduction of JavaScript, and we will see how to embedding JavaScript in HTML. Okay, these 2 things are there, we will see one by one. So here, what is JavaScript? JavaScript is Netscape cross-platform object-based scripting language for client and server application. So whenever we ask you what is JavaScript, you must say this is a scripting language for client and server application. And who designed this? Netscape cross-platform object-based scripting language. Second point, JavaScript is not Java. Like you have heard the Java programming. There is no any relation between JavaScript and Java. JavaScript is different and Java is different. They are similar in some way but fundamentally different in others. Okay, JavaScript is not Java. Like many people will get confused, like Java is very tough programming language, how to do and all the things. There is no relation between Java and JavaScript. Okay, JavaScript is different and Java is different. Next, what is the difference? JavaScript resemble Java but does not have Java static typing and strong typing checking. Okay, what is JavaScript? JavaScript is resemble, but Java is not a Java static typing and strong type checking. JavaScript support most Java expression syntax and basic control flow structure. JavaScript support more JavaScript syntax, but it is not a Java. Java is different and JavaScript is different. JavaScript has a simple instance-based object model that still provides significant compatibility. Okay, so this is the thing, the difference between Java and JavaScript. Okay, what is JavaScript types? JavaScript types are two. First one is a navigator JavaScript, also called client side JavaScript. Okay, whenever client side, what does it mean by client side? Client side is nothing but whatever we are doing from our end, we are the client. Whatever the modification we are doing, whatever the things we are applying in the JavaScript, we are doing, so our client. Okay, in the client side, whatever the things are visible, that is a client side. Okay, next one, live wire JavaScript, also called server side JavaScript. Server side JavaScript means you will display, you will get the result of JavaScript. If you want to display the current time, whatever the time in the computer system, if you want to display on the screen, so at that time server side JavaScript will use, it will use the JavaScript server side and get the time, whatever the time is there in the server database, that will reflect on your web page. So this is, like in simple word, whatever we are getting the data from the server, that is a server side programming, and whatever the client data is there and that is visible, that is a client side JavaScript. Okay, so these are the two type, one is client side and another one is server side. Next, embedding JavaScript in HTML. This is very important. Like we are doing HTML, in the with the help of HTML we are creating the web page. For decorating the good, to display your website in very efficient manner, for that we are using the CSS. And for the server side programming or client side programming, with the help of JavaScript, we are applying in the HTML. So how we need to apply and how to use, that we will see by using the script tag. Okay, how we can use the JavaScript in HTML? By using the script tags. Script tag, and HTML will work on tag only, as you know. Okay, in HTML we can build the website with tags only. By specifying a file of JavaScript code, so the main extension for this file extension will be .js. So we need to specify that file, what kind of file it is it. Like as you remember, for the HTML we will give the file name and we will give the .html. Okay, like this, .html. It is for the HTML page. For CSS page, .css. And for the JavaScript, dot JS. This is a specification of file, and here your file name. Okay, dot html, dot css, and dot js for the JavaScript. So what we will say this is a extension. Okay, extension of the our topics like html, css, JavaScript. Okay, by specifying a JavaScript expression as the value from an HTML attribute. Okay, and by using event handler within center other HTML tag, certain other HTML tag. So these are the things we will use, the JavaScript expression we will use, and we will see the HTML attributes, and we will get the result. Okay, and I will show you one simple example for today. Okay, next, script tag. In the script tag, the script tag is an extension to HTML that can enclose any number of JavaScript statement as shows here. So how we can use this? We need to write the script. What is this called? I hope you remember, this is called opening tag. Opening tag or open tag, and this is closing tag. So this is closing tag, closing, closing tag. So this is a document can have multiple script tags, and each can enclose any number of JavaScript statements. So whenever you are writing a JavaScript code, it is not compulsory. You must use only one JavaScript tag. Okay, and you can use the JavaScript statement. So you can use any number of JavaScript tags, and that we can use in any HTML program or any number of time. So as per your requirement, you can use the script tags. Next, so how we can write, if you want to like a comment tag, script opening tag and closing tag, and from here to here, this is a comment. If you want to write the comment in the JavaScript, first is a less than, and you must use the exclamation mark, then we will use the 2 hyphen, and you will write whatever you want to write here, and at the last hyphen close. So whatever you are going to write in this between this all will be not execute in the HTML program. Okay, and this script will not execute whatever the script do you want to write in the comment tag. Okay, this is the way to give the comment. This is a single comment as well as the multiple line comment. Hiding script in comment tag. So we can hide the script in comment tag whenever you don't want to use that. Okay, so here the famous hello world program that we will going to see here. So for this you no need to do anything. So today I am going to show you in the notepad how to write this code in notepad. Okay, and whatever the red color you are seeing here, that red color is a JavaScript code, but rest of the things already we have done in CSS and HTML. Already we have completed this. Okay, so I am opening the notepad. In the notepad we need to write the code. I will make it the small. Okay, so here, as you know, for writing the HTML code, HTML will start with opening HTML tag and in the same time close the HTML tag. Okay, this is main HTML tag. The structure of the HTML is, first that should have the HTML tag, and the second head opening tag and closing tag, and in this whatever do you want to write you can write here, and the main part is now is body. What is this body? Body is whenever whatever you are going to write here, that will display in the web browser. Okay, so first of all I am saving this file, save, save, and I am doing one thing. So I am storing in the JavaScript class, and here I am giving the name first hello world, hello.html, and you must select the file type, all file. Okay, hello.html, save. So I save this file. Okay, and here the rest of the things, this you can see in the whatever it is present in the body, whatever is present in the body, that is very easy, and already we have done that. P welcome to JavaScript closing tag. This is a paragraph opening and closing tag, and we are creating the form. When you open the form, close it, and here write input type. Sorry, as you remember this, input type is equals to button. I am creating one button, and value is equals to click. Uski what value we are giving? Whenever we will click on that button, whenever we click on that button, it perform on click. On click is together is equals to msg message, and we are creating one function. We are creating one function. Okay, so in this way also we can close the tag. Okay, so this input type button value, so let me increase the size, then it will be easy for you. So this is we have done. Okay, now I will save this file, save, and I will go and check the output. So here this is my open with Microsoft Edge. It take time because my computer is little bit slow. Okay, so you can see where is the file is stored there, and it is displaying welcome to JavaScript and the button is there. When I am clicking on it, it's not performing any operation. Okay, welcome to JavaScript, and when I am clicking here, it is not performing any operation. It's not performing any operation. So here we need to write the code. What is our code? This code we need to write there script type is equals to text or JavaScript, and we are creating the function and displaying the code. So in the head, script, first script script type. Otherwise you can write like this: script opening tag and script closing tag. For this, if you mention this is like important. If you did not write, then your program also execute, but it will be difficult for you to identify what is this. So browser is very if you give the type, then browser will easily identify and perform very quickly. Okay, so here I am creating the function MSG. Why I am taking MSG? Just I am creating one function name MSG, because I am calling here also. Whatever the name I am going to take here, whatever the function name, that I need to call here. Okay, and I will open the bracket alert, 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 hello world, and end with semicolon and flower bracket. So this is a code. This is a JavaScript code, a simple code, but when we click on the button, then it will display the hello world. Okay, let's see. This is our file. I am doing refresh. Okay, after refreshing, when I click, it message is displaying hello world. Okay, click hello world. Okay, so whatever the thing you are going to be write here, okay, in place of hello world, if you write welcome to Java, same thing, Java script, Control S for save the file, or just you can click the save. Here refresh and click, see, welcome to JavaScript. So whatever the thing you are going to write here, that will display. Okay, so here I am going to write hello world, and I will do one thing now. Here the function name I am changing MSG1, and here MSG only. Let's see what will happen when I refresh, click. The old output, whatever the thing it's taken default by the browser, that it is taken. So okay, previous output, so you will not get a perfect. So for that reason I need to change the name here also, and this name should be same, then only we will get the correct answer. As I told you, HTML will not show you the error, it will execute. You need to identify what is the problem. Okay, and here I am doing refresh, click here, welcome to JavaScript. Oh sorry, I did not save this file. Save. Okay, refresh, click hello world. So whenever you are doing any changes or any modification in the HTML code, you must save the file and go the refresh and see the output. Okay, this is inline. Our scripting we are writing in the HTML code only. Okay, but I don't want to use this in HTML code. Okay, I don't want to use this code in HTML. So this thing external will create in another file and we will link here. Okay, you try in your home that try to take this code, at least only this code, no need to take this tags will work in HTML. So just take this file, that is very easy. Take this lines, 4 lines, and store in the one another notepad and save the file with the .js. Give any file name .js, and here in this scripting give the src, use the src source, and you can give the link. You try in your home that how to take out this all code outside the HTML and link to this HTML. Okay, you try in your home. In the next class I will show you how to do this. Okay, sorry. So this is about the simple hello world program. Okay, now JavaScript code in file, as I told you, the src attribute of the script tag lets you specify a file as a JavaScript source rather than embedding the JavaScript. I don't want to add, or I don't want to embed in the HTML. Okay, okay, so the attribute is especially useful for sharing function among many different pages. If you have taken outside the HTML, so the same file you can use multiple places, okay, or in multiple files. So example here I am showing you, practice this. Okay, like in the head only, you need to write title my page. Is up to you if you want to write script src is equals to whatever the file name do you want to save here, save it. Like I want to save here msg1 or msg dot js. Okay, msg.js or msg1.js, whatever the name. Just you need to write, call this code, and your program will execute. Okay, so in today's lecture is finished. Thank you. So in the today's lecture we saw what is JavaScript and how many ways we can embed it the JavaScript in HTML, and we saw the different types of how to write the command and what is client side and what is server side also we saw. Okay, once you see this all the things, in the next class we are going to see how to call the external JavaScript file in the our HTML, sorry, external JavaScript file in HTML. How to call we will see, and we will see some of the topics like variable, attribute, array. Some of the topics we are going to see in the next class. If you have any question, you can message me or call me regarding this. Thank you very much.